An outstanding value awaits you with this beautifully crafted and award-winning new Azalea model home in the exciting community of Grand Oaks Manor, located just outside of the Villages. This open-concept home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,343 square feet in an offset split design, complete with 2-car garage and custom paver driveway. This home features numerous upgrades, including quartz countertops throughout. The kitchen is highlighted with a glass tile backsplash, espresso cabinets, and a large contemporary hood over the gas stove. The master bedroom is very bright with natural light, helping to showcase a custom coffer tray ceiling. Double sinks in the bathroom with designer mirrors. An all-tile walk-in shower with a seamless glass door. And walk-in closet. There is a security system complete with cameras and an automatic instantaneous gas hot water heater. Furnishings seen in this home may be purchased separately. The large award-winning lanai from 2017 Parade of Homes has a beautiful summer kitchen and custom pavers. The laundry room has high-end Whirlpool front-load washer and dryer and offers plenty of storage, along with an office crafts work area. This must-see home is in a new all-family community, complete with a large clubhouse. Fitness center, large pool, and more.